Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe from Vivo, and in this video tutorial for Adobe Premiere, I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar inside of a Square video for social media. Basically, a scrolling bar that plays for the duration of the video. And it's actually very, very simple if you're using Adobe Premiere. We have open here a Square video project. It's about 2 minutes long. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by going into your project bin, and you are going to create a color mat. When you click color mat, you're going to create 1080 by 1080 or whatever the resolution of your video is. Hit OK, and you're going to select the color. And in our case, we're going to select a like a bright red so you guys can see that easily. Click OK. Rename that for the mat. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it progress bar. And then all you're going to do is you're going to drag that progress bar on top of your video in a brand new layer. The next step is to drag that mat and create the length that you want the progress bar to be. So in this case, we're going to just do the whole video. So drag that progress bar or that color mat all the way to the right side of the video. Once you do that, now we're going to resize it and make it the size that we want. So we're going to hop over to effects and we're going to add a crop to the progress bar layer. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it down from the top up here in the effects controls. We're going to drag it down to there, and then from the bottom we're going to bring it up. And you're going to want to just make the bar the thickness that you want. So in this case, that looks pretty good to me, just for what we're going to use it for this video. And then what's next is you're going to position that progress bar in the video where you want the progress bar to be. In this case, we're going to position it up in the effects, and we're going to drag that down. I want that all the way at the bottom. So I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom there. So it's just touching the bottom of our frame. And that's that. Now, to make it animate, drag your playhead all the way to the beginning of the video. And what you're going to do is you're going to drop a position keyframe. Again, in the effects controls, you're going to drop a position keyframe there on the first frame of the video. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag that video's position while on that keyframe all the way off your video so you don't see it. And there it goes. All right. Now, wherever you want the progress bar to end in your video, drag that playhead all the way to the end of the video. I'm going to let it stop right there. And then you're going to, in that same position keyframe, add another one by dragging it until it's completely covering your video. So 540 there. And just like that, if we start dragging through and start playing our video, the progress bar is there. If I scrub all the way through, there it is. So it's all the way there until the end. So just like that, that's how you create a progress bar in a video. If you guys like this tutorial, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you need any help with video marketing or social media, we've got you at vivocreative.net. Hope to see you guys next time, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you later.